Good afternoon, distinguished guests and fellow graduates. I'm Thomas Voon, and I'm very honored to deliver the valedictorian speech for this year's graduating cohort. Congratulations to all my fellow graduates on the successful attainment of the specialty diploma in your field of study. Being an adult learner who has to juggle between heavy workload, family commitments, and study can never be easy. I guess many of you would agree with me that it is both mentally and physically exhausting, especially when approaching assignments and project submission deadlines. There were occasions where I had to skip classes due to work or family commitment, but I'm thankful that with the support of our lecturers and classmates, we can see the fruits of our hard work. I have been in the built environment sector since 1991, after completing my tertiary education in the United States. What drew me to the sector was the excitement of being involved in the process of building high-rise buildings from scratch. Over the last few decades, I have witnessed how the sector has evolved from one which was filled with manual activity to a transformed industry that embraces game-changing technologies such as DFMA and IDD that could result in faster, safer, more reliable, and productive construction processes. As one of the top management staff in my company, it is my duty to ensure continuous productivity improvement at both the company level as well as the project level. This is important in maintaining a competitive edge in the construction industry that is constantly evolving. Continuous learning and upskilling to learn about the latest construction practices is therefore crucial. I chose to take up both the Specialist Diploma in Construction Productivity, SDCP, and Specialist Diploma in Design for Manufacturing and Assembly, SDDFMA, with BCA Academy, as the programs are aligned with the latest changes and development in the building industry, taught by highly qualified and experienced lecturers. In addition, the stackable modular certificate structure provides the flexibility for busy working professionals like many of us. Having completed the programs, I'm now more confident in sharing with my bosses and colleagues on the importance of adopting advanced construction technologies and in implementing productivity enhancement initiatives to my ongoing projects. This is especially important in view of the current COVID-19 situation, where every company is facing labor crunch and many construction projects are trying to catch up with the schedule. Similarly, I urge all of you to apply the previous knowledge acquired in the specialist diploma in your areas of work. On behalf of the graduating cohort of 2020, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the staff and lecturers of BCA Academy for their endless effort, their education, motivation, and professionalism in sharing their knowledge with us. Special thanks to Dr. Mano, my program manager. Last but not least, fellow graduates, having obtained a specialist diploma and new skill set have paved the way for many new opportunities in the built environment. However, our learning journey should not stop here. Let's move in alignment with the industry by being lifelong learners. I wish all of you have the very best in your future endeavor. Have an enjoyable evening. Thank you.